Ayo Lipper ARMY, welcome back to You the Best. So today we fishing some part of McMicheal Creek. It's called Keystone Select Trout Waters, and these waters you can't even use no meat. I guess these ladies are vegetarians or something, but so we gotta use artificial only. Let's see if we can get it, Lipper ARMY. You the best. We got a guy for us, Lipper ARMY. We gonna get hit real quick though. We got one coming over here. How you doing? Can't keep. Can't keep. I am not right in your way, dog. I'm going that way anyway, so yeah, you're good. Ooh, we got one, Lipper ARMY. Got a John, Lipper ARMY. Got a John. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? It's here. We got a rainbow finally. Oh, is that a rainbow dog? What is that? Yeah, it's a rainbow dog. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, boy. Nice. Rainbow Lipper ARMY. That's what I'm talking about. Take a look at this girl. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. See you later. Nice. Let's get some more. I'm all tangled up over here. What's going on? I gotta get it in. The fish are hot. Shoot. Tangled up. Shoot. Alright. We back in there, baby. We back in there. Alright. Let's see if they hit it again real quick. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Who's your daddy? Feels like a tough crowd today, Lipper ARMY. At least there's not too many people out on the water. So now, sometime around this time, I hook into a nice brown dog. My first one at McMicheal Creek. Woo, woo, you know what I'm saying. But somehow I lost the footage. But what I didn't lose is the underwater footage of letting that girl go. So here it is. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get another one. Maybe right away in the cast real quick. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's what I'm saying. Hit like a ton of bricks. Okay. Maybe there's more. Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Got him, Lipper ARMY. Nice. Oh, Lipper ARMY. Lipper ARMY. Another brown dog. That's what I'm talking about. Lipper ARMY. Come here now. Hit a little swim bait. Oh, yeah. Lipper ARMY. That's a nice one there. Look at that, it's gonna hop out of my hand. Oh. Peace. Well, alright, Lipper ARMY. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys are the best. I can't believe how good you are. Lipper ARMY. So, McMicheal Creek, we got it in. It was a slow day. Maybe it was the moon. Maybe it was the water. Maybe it was the rain. But I don't know. But maybe I'll be back someday. You the best, Lipper ARMY.